Good evening, guys! Luto tayo. Hapunan naman. So, tonight, we are making afritada. Kuno. Are the ingredients? So, we have onion, garlic, yung sweet capsicum, celery, may carrots, potatoes, at yung napa cabbage or Chinese cabbage. Meron tayong tomato paste. Tapos yung chicken, of course, lambida. Tapos lalagyan natin siya ng konting anghang, sweet chili sauce. Yan ang kaya kong anghang. And eto, tomato sauce. So, let's begin. Olive oil. So, first up, yung ating potatoes. Ipa-par fry lang natin siya, half cooked, kumbaga. Set this aside. Now the carrots. Next up, the chicken. Nice. So, the same thing, the same with the veggies, ito ay iba-brown lang natin. Hindi natin siya lulutuin sa pagkaprito. Set aside muna natin siya. Now, we go gisa. Onion, garlic. Peppers, celery, lagyan na natin. Beautiful. Lagay tayo ng tomato paste. Kailangan daw ang tomato paste ay niluluto para hindi madaling mapanis yung pagkain. Lagyan natin ng konting water. Yan. Ngayon, ibalik na natin itong mga pinirito natin kanina. Yan, ilalim natin yung chicken para siya ay maluto ng maayos. And tomato sauce. Nagaganito ba kayo, guys? Sayang kasi eh. Gasan natin yung bote. There you go. Okie dokie. Let's add some water. Pwede na ba? Isa pa. Let's add chicken cube. And let it boil. Beautiful. Nice. Beautiful. Haluin natin ng paminsan-minsan dahil baka dumikit na yung mga sa ilalim. Mga gulay. Nice. Konti pa. Bawasan ng sabaw. Siguro tagdagan natin ng water. Sangkulo na lang at lalagyan na natin yung veggies. Ta-da! Okie-dokie. Let's put these leaves in. And this is ready very, very soon. And lagyan natin sa ilalim para maluto agad siya. Beautiful. Tikman natin. Kalimutan ko yata ilagay ang sweet chili sauce. Sweet chili sauce.
I brought us some eggs.
Oh, really? Oh, beautiful. Put in the...
Yeah, gonna have to wash them.
Yeah.
I've got grease all over me. Oh, I didn't crack them, did I? I said, do you want some? Do you want some things? He said,
Wow.
no, I use bags.
Oh, look at this. Someone gave us free eggs. Beautiful. Ang dami. Nice. Oh, diba? Sweet naman ng aming neighbor. Taste again. Honey, come here.
Wash me coming in grease.
Taste.
Hot. Hot. Nice, but hot.
Oh. Want salt or?
No, it's nice. It could be a bit thicker. What is it?
What do you mean? You want it thicker?
It feels very runny, watery.
Yeah, it's just like that.
Yeah, it adds some things, but I don't know what. It's nice though. I don't know.
No, it's just a salt or
Yeah,
sweetness.
whatever. It's nice though. I'd eat it.
I know you would.
That's not saying much, but
A bit anything.
oh, I tell you what, I found some power tools, honey. Got them coming out of
I think that's perfect.
You like it?
I can taste the sweetness and
Yeah, it's nice.
it's balanced. Anyway, guys, there you are. Ang aking afritada. Hello, everybody. Dinner time. Yan. Freshly cooked. Fresh out of the pan. Caldereta. Ngayon, siya ay kompleto na, kumbaga. Kasi meron siyang carrots, merong potatoes, at merong leaves. Siyempre, chicken. So, kompleto na siya talaga. Kaya lang, parang gusto mag-rice. So, nagawa ako ng kaunting rice. Sa maliit na bowl. Pero si Habi, isang bowl na siya ng ano. 3 naman yung chicken niya. Ako 2 lang. It's hot.
Yummy. Very hot though. Yeah.
So, let's eat, guys. Dinner time! Maririnig nyo sa background. Ibang lengguwahe. Nanonood ako ng Korean novela. Yum. Hindi ako sanay kumain ng ganito. Na hindi sa plato. Naka-bowl kasi. Ayan, oh. Yumminess. Teka lang. Dapat gulay muna eh. Looks like a big meal eh. Ano lang to? 1 carrot, 3 pirasong medium size na potatoes, kalahating 1/4 ng cabbage, napa cabbage.
Like the cabbage.
Init pa. Hindi ko na maintindihan na aking pinapanood dahil kumakain ako. Rewind ko na lang siya. What? Too hot.
Letting it cool. Want the fire on today? Have to go and chop some wood before it gets dark.
Parang naging soup. Kagabi sana namin to ulam. Kaya lang, biniling manok ng aking magaling na asawa ay roast chicken. Kaya, nag-roast chicken lang kami kagabi. Ngayon ko lang ito niluto.
Probably eat that roast chicken for lunch.
Na,
We gotta eat it tomorrow.
why don't you put it in the freezer?
You can't. It's
Andyan?
cooked, yeah. Once it'll be shot. Either eat it tomorrow or you pluck it and give it to the dogs. Everyone. We'll eat it tomorrow for lunch. Then we'll have something different. Even pork. Because we're chickened out. I reckon it's good to eat your dinner slow, but geez, this is hot, yeah. Eating it real slow. Beautiful flavour though.
Basta balanse ang asin at saka yung tamis. Kahit kulang pa sa ingredients yan, masarap yan. Yan ang ano lang doon, sikreto. Kailangan balanse. Yung alat sa asim, alat sa tamis. Na kami magsasabi dyan na hindi naman yung kaldereta kasi baka kulang sa ingredients or mali yung ingredients ko. Well, for me, basta chicken yan na merong tomato sauce, kaldereta yan. Ay, afritada yan. Pag beef naman, na may tomato sauce, kaldereta yan. Ganun lang yon. Sarap. Okay guys, tapusin naman na aming dinner and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye, God bless.